Hey guys, this is Jordan. I'm about to post my first video. I'll be testing out some food for you guys. I know that's a big thing right now. I don't know how often I'll post. First thing I'm gonna try for you is MrBeast almond chocolate. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of almond, but I'm gonna try it. Get right into the video, you know. Not bad. Not the worst chocolate I've had. It's MrBeast, you know. Gotta get that Beast bar. It was around $2. I wouldn't get this flavor again probably, but I wanted to try it. So if there's anything else you guys would want me to try, let me know. Maybe I'll get it. It's chocolate. I like chocolate, so. So I'll basically rate it out of 5-star. I'll probably give this like 1.5 out of 5. If you guys tried it, let me know. But make sure you hit the subscribe. You already know, subscribe to the Arco Meter. Hope you guys have a good day. Peace.